Hello dear friends. Today I want to share with you the assembly and decoration of the cake, which is ideal for both women and men. It will not leave anyone indifferent. This is a cornucopia cake. I think this cake should be a gift in every home. First, let's shape it. The horn will be made from 1 biscuit for 10 eggs. Cut the biscuit into 2 parts, and cut it out like this. In an interlayer butter custard cream with caramel. We give shape in such a way, so that there is more biscuit on the wide part of the horn than the opposite. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate for 5 to 6 hours or overnight. Take out of the refrigerator and continue to shape. After finished forming the second time, we also send the cake to freeze in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours. Cover the cake with protein custard. And align. In a bag with a nozzle small open star, add white cream. Draw a pattern along the edge of the horn. Pour a little alcohol or vodka into a cup. And add Canderin Gold. We will cover it with an airbrush. We will decorate with grapes, strawberries, cherries, and chocolate coins in golden foil. In this cake you need to achieve volume. Grapes cut into small twigs work well for this. Also add cherries, strawberries and chocolate coins to the empty spaces. Cover the berries with gel decor. Friends, if you liked this video, like, write comments, and subscribe to our channel. There are many interesting things ahead of you. See you soon.